Here's the quickest way to improve your art and to really grab someone's attention and make them look at your painting. Do you know what it is? Contrast. And it is the first thing that our eye notices, even above color. We sometimes think it's a color, it's a bright color, but it's in actuality the brightness, the darkness level of that color against something that is opposite. Let me show you what I mean. And it doesn't matter what color you use. Like, you may not like the colors, but you can't deny the contrast. So here's a couple of examples. These are some basic, my abstract Moody landscapes. I'm always going for a vibe. That's just me. But it's irrelevant, like, to this. It applies to everything. So it's the fact that there is something dark against something light here. And yes, this is a dull, it's like a soft light, but it's definitely really light in comparison to this down here. And so it pulls the eye in. And then there's little bits around that will move the eye. Here's another one. And this one's not quite done, but you cannot deny that dark contrast here and here and what it does against the lightness of the paint. It just makes it stand out. And because of that, our eye just goes right to that area. And then if you want to, like move the eye around, you just add small parts. Like, I could add a little tiny dark spot up here, and that would be enough to draw your eye to that area. And this last one here, same thing. Soft colors, but they're very light. And when you put it up against this darkness, well, you just can't deny that there's a contrast there. And from that point, you decide, do I want to go brighter with some of these soft colors? Do I want to go even darker here? And you control the level of that contrast. And in turn, that is what is going to draw the viewer's eye in. And if you're able to put in your feeling, your vibe, and the mood that you want, oh, it's just like you can't resist it. It just draws you in. And it is probably the most important, well, it is actually, it's the most important, the biggest thing in creating good art is that contrast. Do we have enough of it? And how is it used throughout the painting to keep our attention and just draw us in and make it so that we're like, oh, I can't stop looking at this. It's an incredible feeling when you can do that. Give it a try and see what it does for your art.